Hello, so if you're like me and you don't like videos automatically playing on your social media platform, here is a tip of how you can stop that on LinkedIn. If you're using a mobile app, you go to your LinkedIn and then you click on your profile photo, and then below it you go to settings, and then under settings you select the account and preferences. And there you see under general preferences the third option, which has autoplay videos. Click on it and then you will see three options. That is the first option is never autoplay videos, which does not allow videos to play at all. Then option number 2 is for videos to only autoplay when you are connected on Wi-Fi. And then the last option allows the videos to autoplay whether you're connected to your mobile data or your Wi-Fi connections. Now go ahead and choose the option that works for you. Now if you're using the web version of LinkedIn, click on the drop-down menu that is under your profile photo, that is located on the menu bar. Then select settings and privacy. After that, select option number 1, which is already automatically selected, which is account and preferences, and then go to general preferences and select option number 3, which is the autoplay. Now for me, I had already switched off the autoplay, but if you find when it is on, go ahead and click it and then to turn it off. I hope this video has been helpful.
If you like the content I share, subscribe and click on the notification button to receive updates when I upload a new video. Thank you and see you in the next video.